Hi, my name's Rob Power. I'm an instructional developer and a mobile learning researcher. I'm also a member of mLearning, the International Association for Mobile Learning. In 2013, I served as the project manager and conference chair for the 12th World Conference on Mobile and Contextual Learning, mLearn 2013, which was held in Doha, Qatar. I was first elected as a member at large on the executive of mLearn in October 2013. mLearn is an international association of mobile learning researchers and practitioners. The aim of the organization is to promote research and effective deployment of mobile learning initiatives around the world. mLearn's major annual initiative is the mLearn Conference Series, which is hosted in a different country each year. mLearn's been hosted in Canada, the US, the UK, Finland, Turkey, Qatar, South Africa, and Australia, among other countries. The mLearn Conference Series is the first major conference series dedicated to mobile and contextual learning. It's the premier gathering of researchers and practitioners to share the latest in mLearning research and the results of global developments in the field. The mLearn Conference Series is important because the conference itself and subsequently published conference proceedings offer the most up-to-date look at what's happening with mobile and contextual learning and where things are headed in the years to come. A look at the conference proceedings from the past 14 years reveals a dramatic shift in the mobile learning research landscape. Until recent years, research reports and academic papers have tended to focus on trying to formulate cohesive theories of mobile learning and on the successes of small-scale, often one-off pilot projects. My early research with the QR Cache project at College of the North Atlantic, Qatar could be seen as an example of this. In that project, a series of mobile reusable learning objects were built to teach EFL students the names and functions of basic computer parts in English. The RLOs were launched by scanning QR codes mounted on the various components inside of functioning computers. The focus of the QR Cache research project was to demonstrate proof of concept and to investigate students' impressions of using the mobile RLOs. What we've seen in recent years are shifts in the nature of mobile learning discourse. For example, we're starting to see more investigation of the factors that influence the scalability and sustainability of mobile learning strategies. And we're starting to see mobile learning as not just different from e-learning. We're starting to see it as a manifestation of an overall trend towards ubiquitous learning. Ubiquitous learning implies the constant immersion of learners in technology-rich environments, shifting from technology-based tool to tool seamlessly as their learning needs dictate. My more recent research has been guided by these shifts. What I've been investigating is what mLearn founding director Dr. Muhammad Ali described at mLearn 2013 as one of the greatest barriers to mobile learning integration and sustainability: teachers' self-confidence. I've been working on an instructional design framework called CSAM, the Collaborative Situated Active Mobile Learning Design Framework. It's intended to provide scaffolding for teachers when making pedagogical decisions about how to integrate mobile technologies into teaching and learning. I've also been working with researchers from Ohio State University on a tool called the MTSES, the Mobile Teacher Sense of Efficacy Scale. The MTSES is a survey that measures teachers' self-confidence with 3 aspects of mobile learning integration, and it compares it to their comfort levels with general teaching tasks. At mLearn 2015, I reported on the use of the MTSES to gauge the effectiveness of mobile learning-themed professional development in a massive open online course, and the utility of the survey as a tool for planning PD that helps make teachers more confident in their abilities and more willing to experiment with emerging technologies in their classrooms. Yes, there's still quite a bit of research going on into specific emerging technologies and their implications for education and training. That will always be the case because we can never truly predict exactly where technological innovation will take us. But recent shifts in research trends, such as the examples that I've described, are significant. They show that researchers, practitioners, and policymakers recognize an undeniable benefit of emerging technologies to teaching and learning practice. The questions now have shifted from what could we do and will it make a difference to ones of how do we make this workable on a larger scale and how do we prepare teachers to effectively lead learning in the mobile technology age.